In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform descriptive statistics on your data in SPSS. So this is my data set. There are total 8 variables. Most of them are scale variable or interval variable, and one of them ordinal, one of them is nominal. And this is my data. So in order to perform descriptive statistics, you have to go to analyze and go to descriptive statistics. Now you can see there are many options, so I'm going to descriptives. Okay, so initially you will find this box empty. In my case, this variable appeared here because I performed some previous analysis on this one. So what you have to do, you have to put your variables in this box on which you want to perform descriptive statistics. So click on the variable and then click here. Okay, now in options you can specify what information you want, like standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Let's say you also want variance, range, distribution. So I'm just going for the information. Continue and click on OK. So this is the table generated by the descriptive statistics operation. So as you can see, there are 3 variables which we have selected: total number of values, range. Range is actually maximum minus minimum value. This is the minimum value, this is the maximum value, mean, standard deviation, and variance. So this is a very basic table which provides you mean, standard deviation, variance. Now if you are having ordinal and nominal variables, so for those variables in descriptive statistics we usually go for frequencies. So here I will select this ordinal variable, level of education, or let's say I'm also selecting this loan variable. So now what it will show one table for each variable, and in each table it will take all the categories. So level of education, there are 3 categories, and for each category it will show you frequency, show you the percentage of total values, valid percent, and cumulative percent, and the same information for this another variable which we have selected for this operation. So the thing is that whenever you are going for descriptive statistics, if you are having interval variable, it's better to go for the first option, like descriptive. So it will show you mean, minimum value, maximum value, standard deviation. And if you are having nominal and ordinal variables, so in that case it's good to have a look on the frequencies instead of going for mean, standard deviation values. Thank you very much for watching.